Hello, welcome to another Cooking for Your Kidneys video. My name is Annette and I'm a dietitian at Imperial College Healthcare.
Hello, and I'm Kasonde. I'm an advocate for home hemodialysis, and I do hemodialysis at home on my own.
Kasonde, thank you so much for having us in your home and for sharing these recipes with us today. So today we are going to look at some African and Caribbean starchy staple foods. We're going to show you how some kidney-friendly tweaks can help to reduce the potassium content. And whilst we're going to focus on foods from Africa and the Caribbean, be assured that you can use these techniques for any cuisine that would use these ingredients. So starchy staples that are naturally higher in potassium include yam, cassava and sweet potato, and also foods from the banana family, so plantain, matoke and green banana. And for these we need to be a little bit more careful. We also need to remember that adding coconut and beans and pulses to rice dishes can also increase the potassium content. Kasonde, what are you cooking for us today?
So today, Annette, we're going to be making a dish that is naturally lower in potassium. It's made from maize meal, and back from where I'm from, we call it nshima. But some of you might know it as ugali, you may know it as fufu, you may know it as kenke, that's the cassava-based fufu, but I'll be preparing it Zambian style. So that means I'm not adding sugar or salt as some of them do in some areas of Africa.
I'm excited. Let's do this.
Start with, take a ladle of the milli meal, put it in the pot, add some water, about 110 milliliters, enough to make a paste. In the meantime, the water should be boiling. You will then go over to the stove, which you would have put on. It's got to be quite high. As you add the water, you stir. Feel for it that it comes to a consistency like soft porridge. You then cover it and let it simmer for 5 or 10 minutes. Whilst it is simmering, you can start to warm up what we call the relish. The relish is simply the accompaniment. Now that could be fish, it could be meat, it could be vegetables, it could be all three. Today, I am serving this with fish and vegetables. So here we are. This is nshima, made of maize meal, and today I've served it with some fish and a little sauce, what we call soup. Would you like to try it?
I would love to. This is really good.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Annette, for coming to my kitchen. Thank you for joining us as we prepared this. I hope you try out the recipe. I hope you enjoy it and have a lovely day.
Thank you for having us in your kitchen. I hope that you've seen that you can still produce and prepare the foods that you love and do so in a kidney-friendly manner. Thank you for watching.